You also, because you created the Highlanders with Doza Medicine and Ray. Highlanders now eventually became Portmore Empire. Talk to me about that.
Alright, as well, I tell you about Vertex Studio. Alright, that becomes the home for Portmore artists because at the time Vice Scott had a problem with Alliance. And we now have that. Because Portmore, for some reason, Portmore artists are feeling better than Kingston artists.
Yeah.
And it's the truth. Right now, in this term, we still run the business, Portmore artists. And I don't say it for Kingston artists, but you hate me and nothing. Kind of like me, I call them, ask them for nothing. So if you don't hate me, I say, God, it's the truth. And we still have it. Portmore still have the capital in the music business. Because Spice are the queen, Cartel are the king. The artists apart from them is Massacre. So we still have it. I'm wrong, I'm right.
A Massacre is champion nice.
You know what I say it loud, make people hear.
I always say that. A Massacre is a DJ I listen the most these days. Everybody know that.
Yeah, so we have enough new youth where look promising. Like we have Joshie a street youth, a street. Real ghetto part. Like, I'm going to get a fight. I'm going to prepare. I'm going to buy him boxing gloves and put them on. I'm going to get a fight. But in my word, in my street, I street. The reason why I like Joshie. Joshie is an artist, he's a battle artist. Come watch him up and roll thing till him read. Right. But him, out of all of them, him sing the culture song them. Him have enough truth song. Truth we call them.
Truth song.
Yeah, I tell you about struggles when he go through and things. So we have to give him credit for that because a lot of these artists not saying these things. Even though me have my new artists now. Apart from, listen, I saw music going on. But at them time or this time, I still have artists where we are push out. You know what I mean?
Right.
So, when you look at it now, we have artists like Enhance. Another Portmore artist that go right through. So we are showing the way, teach him the music the right way. And you see when that youth boss, that youth will be a force to reckon with, because I'm still a learn and I'm still a ask for guidance. I'm still a try to learn how the music do.
That's important.
Very important because a lot of these people they know new artists they don't want to talk to we as elder because they say we're old man. But him smart, him a try to learn.
But you don't do it already. So
so you have to learn.
You tell me, because you do it already.
Learn the thing. You know what I mean?
So, you know what we did there though? We did there on Islanders becoming Portmore Empire.
Yeah. But you know, when you cut me, I'm not talk about Maestro.
No, because we did get through.
Maestro and our artist.
No, Maestro is artist,
continue
man.
again.
Because we don't talk about sound thing and production thing and then
something. Are you lead the way?
Right, so that, yeah, so.
Lead
Islanders, as your youth them, eventually, I think them kind of join up with young guns.
Alright, you're how that go now. See? So anyway, as well we say Cartel and Alliance have a problem. So Vertex becomes the home base for us. So when we leave Portmore, or them leave Portmore, because we just live 3 yards from this.
Okay, right.
And we live around a Jumbler, the apartment. You see him apartment, still did live fun. Yeah. Why may I tell you? Back to it. So anyway, so Vertex becomes the home. So Cartel lady, daily, yo, my respect. Yo, I don't know. I have so much respect for Adija. I don't even know how to start because guess what now? Himself is music. Boy, may I tell you. Something when he said to me, because one time he said to me, BASCOM, but I forgot town go fight them. You know? I said, what you say? I said, we can't stay at Portmore and fight the war because we're not in a studio over here that much. All the studio them, they are Kingston. But after they are Kingston. That's what he said to me. Some things what he say, Jajo, I don't want, but when I talk about Cartel, my heart feel hurt because there's so much things and so much journey and so much struggles and then so much joy come after. Because him decides say I'm going to go to town and go fight them. Anyway, we have the Vertex studio, we are doing thing at Vertex. Him said to me, say, the youth them where you have BASCOM, because through the Alliance, I'm doing thing, you never see what me I do. So me just gather the youth them and do it. And I said to them, say, I'm not go bust. Don't worry, say, I do it. So when Cartel said to me, say, BASCOM, when him really see what go on, when him come back amongst we after the big fight, him say Islanders. And I say, BASCOM, where are they? You know, I sign them. And I said, how me I go sign them? I'm busy every week, I go now. I order there. Because at the time, reggae, it's like reggae turned dancehall in a midget. Right. Because we are the new sound of the music now.
BASCOM X.
Yeah, Fantan Mojo. Yeah, Turbulence, all the way. Are the new future like this. So, I'm busy. So I say, yeah, wait, man. What you gonna do? I say, I sign them. I say, do it, man. I say, you mean? So at the time when him sign them now, we have Nuclear, Marco Brand, Blast Hash, them and Young Guns. When you have Islanders now. Young Guns, and then we have Escobar, Young Guns, them there, and Islanders. Cartel bring them together.
Schoolboy was in Young Guns.
So, cause Young Guns was more like how we Cartel did do.
Okay.
But Islanders was me. But me have an artist in him, prolific artist, Deverat. I'm different from all of them. And film intellect, I try match up the teacher intellect and it cause conflict.
Oh, okay.
This going to cause problem. Because Deverat have himself as one of the baddest things from Portmore. So anyway, on the journey, bringing Deverat to the music forefront, it caused problem with me and I don't, it caused problem with me and Munga. Because this is my artist, this is my protege, I work for bring him through the gate. So when Cartel finally do a song with Deverat, him they have a song with Deverat, but they anchor do some record and call me. I'm going to say, yo, my voice is tune with the artist, you know. I'm going to say, yeah, I'm happy, you know, but me a pre ready, but me a go voice, man. So I say, I'm happy, and then play a piece site, and the two of them in the background, and them talk. I must say, Cartel has said to me, say, talk to him, you know. Because you know a thing, you know, I don't want to hurt him, you know. So try talk to him.
Yeah.
See? Because Deverat and rolling. But what I rate with Deverat, even when the whole of we move this far, when the whole of we did it, I work on the craft, Deverat is a man who never itch up a father room me. Him gonna, this say yes, I gone vice. Never was one of them away for Cartel I tell him what to do, when to do.
Oh, okay.
Him gone out there till when him a Munga in a fiction, him a look for film thing. And him bad for show. For real him bad. But here what strike me now. In the whole vibe where me a project with Deverat, it a cause conflict with Idona, and Idona is Cartel protege.
Right.
So me have artists when me a boss and Cartel have Idona, where him love and respect that artist. So Cartel look for me and say, BASCOM, me a brother, but me I tell you the truth. You see the war with Deverat and Idona, I've done now. So I say, what go on? I say, when me a fight war with that alliance, all the man will go out and say, Adi, and my daddy one vex. Him out there, a stand up. Saying, because you did all that song against Killer, you know?
Right.
When I talk about Black and Ray and
no,
I have to pause and look into what I say. Yeah, you know, for bad for black me, you know, all white. Because Cartel was war angel. And angel wear white. So I don't know that is Sheldon, Mr. Lawrence. Him a fight Cartel war too. And him hot. They were brought to one boilers. And he hot too. So watch what me I do wrong now. Me now create this mixtape. A war I don't wanna come on stage and I say, boy, BASCOM X, yeah, me sing about Light and BASCOM X and Ray. They look a simple thing there. But we just use that to try bring out Deverat. Because I don't know one of my artists. Me respect the man lyrical, you know.
Incline, man.
Incline? Whether in or out. Him man is a cosmic, man. Him man is a cosmic. Him not of this world. I don't know. Anybody say I don't know is a idiot artist. Dunce.
No, well, naturally.
Dunce, because Eve Massacre said it and him wish him never said it. I don't know. But one thing him there do wrong, he never try reinvent himself. And him learn long after when him come back and say him change him style and governor, change him style and governor name becomes governor, not Diablo. Them come back with a new sound, and when him reinvent himself in a new sound, him run the place. Just like Cartel always reinvent him sound. So as when I say when Cartel, I like that to me, it was so right That's why when the show they go on at Tivoli, when I don't walk out, and I say anything or anything I want to some guy, they were brought up on stage and couldn't diss him. Remember that show then, man? When Cartel call out I don't know. And when I don't know come out to the badness and say some guy on Ray. Walk out now on Ray. They were brought one walk out time of all the ammunition. I watch it. Two of them named Sheldon now. One of Sheldon Smith, one of Lawrence. They were brought feel cold. Because me look upon him and say, Cartel right. At the end of the day we have to look out for Portmore. Don't go out there go war. Respect.
Interesting.
Respect Cartel.
Because we never know so that local dynamics there.
Then check
go
it now,
part there.
It happen. So if you look on the show, they were stand up over
here.
No,
man, we're not. Me never know so that go on. So you see me I say?
Yeah, Cartel.
Like you see things but you don't know the reason behind it. So me I say I learn it, you know.
Cartel tell me. I remember I say I'm my artist. I remember to the magnitude of how Cartel are growing now. Cartel can make one phone call and make you look like stupid too. But through respect when you have for me. And him knows that they ever brought a female artist too. Because Portmore Empire them, you know. How the hell you fear decide, don't know? Come on, no, man. Fix that now, man. That's why I worry direct to Munga. Because Deverat is just a worried.
The film thing that.
Yeah, that him designed for.
Yeah.
And then if you ask Munga, or you ask I don't know, them can't tell us say he's a dance artist in Bright. Any rhythm you play for him, one mistake he make, that's why I'm not a millionaire today. And everybody make a mistake. But Cartel help sink him with a song where him do what him shouldn't do. And that are the song why today me and him not so. But the history, when him read him write up on Instagram and say, yeah, big up BASCOM X and Ray, because him have to talk the truth. But the thing is that when him asks me, you know, like him I said to me, say, they were brought her and me or Ray. I say, you can't tell me that. They were an artist. And a pick side something.
You don't put you in that situation.
No, because at the end of the day, me and my own big man.
Yeah, well,
remember, say me now come to you for say, sign me, because me wouldn't do that. Me have brother in the music. Before you have no youth, me have youth, I used to laugh off of you. I say, you nah get no youth. All them dry there, brother.
Yeah.
Until how much pitney you have more than me now. You know. Can't say I have, because you not got a labor ward.
Yeah.
Get more youth.
Yeah.
Probably get more jacket than me too. But I say it right. You get me? So, the respect when me have for him, Cartel, yo, you see Portmore history with Cartel, to how the man got hard. Me not have nobody over him lyrically. Never. No yet. Cartel have the wickedest line ever in a music. Ever hear a song and say, when boys see my gun, that a bus in you, clot it. Ever hear the verse tonight yet? What I'm saying tonight? Him say him turn him gun into the crowd and make God decide who to die. How wicked is like that ever here? See me here? Ungodly wicked man this. Can you imagine a man say, like a movie thing? A crowd over there, so? Yeah man, I saw them say, I'm a part of the interview. I'm a chicken them, I'm a them there. You see? Serum, when they lay egg, serum just take them up. You never wait for them cool, and boil them same way. Them know you're not going to tell them what come tell you, say, serum and egg them. Yeah. So what you know, no? The man saying I think, say, like a movie, like a man point the devil pipe in a crowd and squeeze it. And when he squeeze it, he must say, make God decide who to die. I wickedest line that in a music. I'll know no boy no go harder than that. Think about what me I say now. Alright, probably you never look at it.
Wickedest line that Addison still.
Where your line now?
How you get bad the deal mark, we store body like number for a SIM card.
That no bad like what me say. You know why?
Like that. That's a female line.
You why it no bad like what me say. You turn a gun in the crowd and make God decide who to die. After you done shoot at the people, and God has say you will live.
Bill mark, we store body like number for SIM
well,
card.
that can work.
Brother.
That can work. That can work. But when a man say, turn him gun in the crowd and make God decide who to die, that can
we are going to agree for disagree this time still.
Yeah, you have to do what you do.
Yeah, we have to do what we have to do.
You're good at younger than me, that's why. A younger vibe.
A younger vibes.
Alright, yeah, back to where
So you, BASCOM, as I said in the intro, is extremely influential in the thing.
Yeah.
Way more than many people would readily think and accept.
I feel them business that they don't accept it.
Probably because BASCOM not really come talk these things too.
No.
You know, some man say, yo, I do that, I do that.
Why me need to do that? Alright, here why me don't need to do that. Me don't intend to prove a point. Even my lifestyle, if you don't know me never go up on the road and tell somebody something name BASCOM X. If you don't know, you don't know. Enough time, even the on the road, me look like madman. Some people saying, done. Gotta beat him. Look at the man foot, man. Dirty.
Yeah.
At time, my material I go buy if you do my business. You know? So I just carry myself a certain way. But surprise is good. Because when a man learn about you and him surprise, him tongue tie. Him can't believe. Say he's this much of a general. Brother, when you look upon it, even Portmore Empire, you know. And me create it, you know. Because when me build it, it come off, you know. And look how much people benefit off it. And I one interview me do and say it, if you see the person who interview me, as somebody will par with it. So him know. So that's why him bring it up. If he never bring it up, would I never say it. But because he know, me just say it. When Portmore Empire and all of that created, is because me did come up with Islanders and the same set of youth them. Because when Deverbrat come to me and say, boy, we have changed the name from Islanders to Portmore Empire. Me I said to Deverbrat, say, but we don't have Mansa Empire, how you going to do that? Man said, when we done, them no exist. And he go to Carter and Carter say anything or anything. For that, you say that, you say.
Teach them now at BASCOM X glory, brother. You do it.
Yeah. For real.
You do it.
Yeah.
BASCOM X is now upon him one because we talk about all of the influences and stuff.
Yeah.
There's some big song about it. I want to talk about because people are going to say Lonely Girl.
Alright, watch it now. Reggae music is bigger than Jamaica. Alright. If you know reggae music, you don't have to travel the world if you know. Because, as we say, you're a king, Yasso. You don't see Yasso regular, but when you travel, you're a king. And people treat you different.
As Bushman said.
We know these things.
Some boy a tugboat, I rode him a cruise ship.
Jack, you're a best singer, he sing himself. But guess what? I'm to music now. Not care what my old Jack your behave. Jack your song him live on forever.
Ever, amen.
The first time I hear Jack your me shiver. And if I do a dub and I couldn't do it. When the look of youth come a record factory and I'm full khaki suit.
Really melody?
I want to look a flag. We should look a melody. Jack your me with turban, not under it, but you have on in turban. Because I have Rasta principle.
Yeah.
Time you must say Rasta to the core. When me hear the youth open me mouth, my youth. I know Jah bless me. No wicked that can't taste me. No matter how they try. No, they can't face me. When me hear the youth, man, I say. See, me never say it, but he there for the camera.
Yeah.
I say, God, who the youth here? I sing for him soul. Me shock. So I say, Jack Cure and Jamaican. Cha-cha. When me say Cure, Cure do music. Sunny day, I pray. And do him thing. I just love all the way up. Just learn. Because I'm one teacher and because Egyptian can learn from him too, you know. Because one time Egyptian sound like him too, you know. And then watch it. That's why I say you can sing like somebody and come bigger than them, you know. Because upon the scale, Egyptian bigger than Jack, you know. But Jack is Jamaica's favorite singer. One of them.
Yeah.
Do that much.
Egyptian are real singer.
You can't. Alright. Cabra imitate Ninja Man, you know. And becomes the voice for his sound, you know. And then the emoji sound, you know.
Yeah.
Cabra go ahead. I don't hear a sound, Ninja sound that. That, I can't tell you. And Cabra, I'm a bridging. What? Cabra see me a mustard straight, man. One time I used to say my favor him when me used to have on my ear for me.
Yeah, okay.
One time I beg Cabra and dub for the diamond because the man said, you're a DJ and you're a selector at the same time. Listen, don't practice or something there. Cabra seriously dub. Hey, Mr. Brown, him, one of the best. One time, you know, when him and Mavada, him write a song in Mavada and Cartel here. Cartel never take it well, brother.
Yeah?
Yeah. And when Cabra linked me and said he want to do a song with Cartel, Cartel wasn't having it. Cartel, I said, oh, you come from Portmore, you swing this and write song, man.
Sing some beat, man.
I'm to you. Bad with bad, you know. No, BASCOM, not take the link there, you know. And yet still.
Better tomorrow.
Better tomorrow, do. So you see love, though. You see love?
We see the love, man.
Better tomorrow, like show you fat. Better tomorrow. How will you say? So you see love?
Yeah.
But him never like the idea that you strength Movado for him and a Portmore you come from. But Cabra one of the best lyricists apart from Baby Wayne and Cartel. So you see Mr. Brown, we have to respect him. And yo, the man I think different, but me love him musically. And somebody we can deal with, and somebody to deal with. Who if you deal with Cartel? Cartel with Cabra. Skelter, you can't even get a dub from him. So what did they? I just love you, I feel love them, man. The man is different. You can't even get a free dub. For what? Buy a tire. Oh, where you come from? Maybe say Skelter, I want a DJ killer. Can't this and we'll never this.
Yeah.
You ever hear killer talk bad about our artist
Nobody
Skelter?
really talk about
Talk about where, Mr. Brown?
Skelter.
Mr. Brown, different.
Killer or whatever, sure.
When killer say, when killer say good morning, look up the light, all of the intro there, a Cabra. Me look, me say, informer, you watch what me have? A Cabra style and the killer they are used to. But killer is one of the best artists we have to. Him acknowledge that. He can't go say him a Cabra style that. Me look, me say, informer, you watch what me have? A Cabra style and there. So him is a man who rate Terror Fabulous and him rate Cabra. You never hear Killer say one clash Cabra yet. And Killer is a man who can kill anything. But he couldn't kill.
Adi?
No, what you talk about? What kind of disrespect that? Adi a boy if you kill a man. Adi tell me saying would never clash Killer no time, no way. Because I what Killer do for him. So all I see when he match out pan Killer, when Killer come out pan sting mad the morning and say call him out.
Call him out.
Call him out. Cartel would go away.
Yeah.
You mad? All in granny would have turned in a grave. I want to tell you, man, we have to remember where we are come from. But true, we are not boy and we not take styling.
Right.
We have to show them, so listen, know yourself, you know, because we're full of ammunition, you know. But you never see Cartel and Killer clash, no way. That's why Cartel is a man we apologize and go do back song with Killer. All of them do about county to county and them something there. I just show him a show Killer say, I can stand my ground, you know. But talk the truth. You see him ever say he want clash Killer.
Right, true that.
You ever see Killer say he want clash Cabra?
True, never.
One artist Killer could talk about him want clash. And one is Killer over here.
Killer, have you ever win?
When the morning when Killer and Beaneman clash at Portmore, when Killer slide on the stage and Beaneman they get a slight edge, and when they drop on the stage, well, him say, well, we kill people that call upon God and then drop same time. You see? As Killer will hold the mic. And I say, what are the father, what are the I say, baby, give me the bike, you see the boy, I kill me. That's true. He was say, well, I kill people that call upon God and slide same time. Beaneman, guzu, bad. But guzu man them, man.
But we talk about some of the songs them in the catalog, you know, brother, where do them thing and stamp them name in the thing. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
We are talking about Fool for Love with Empress there. Me say the Empress drop out.
Alright, watch her go on. Angelina.
Angeline.
She was like with Pari. Angelina, one tomboy, you know. When I come from Chilani, Buki. She was an engineer too.
Oh, cool.
She know about engineering work. The first scamming we go on with her, Joe. Joe scammer.
Joe Bogdanovich?
Yeah. I wonder if he can sue me for this. Here when a man named Joe, you know. The man named Slow. So watch, you know. Great Sumfest boss. See it? Vice. Sweet Up Rhythm.
Sweet Up Rhythm, right.
Every song on that was hit all over the world. See? When he put out Angeli song, he never put it out as Angeli. He put it out as, what a bad singer there where we have name again?
Alien.
Alien, he put out on the records. On the Sweet Up Rhythm. So if you put in Sweet Up and put in Alien, it's not Alien singing.
It's
it was actually Angeli. See it? So anyway, Angeli, Harmony, my song pass it's up with him too. See it? Our singer, Bookie. So what you go on now? Bookie Demong's way. When a fearless. When Peter Passard come from France with him from John FX. Egyptian voice performing. See it? Turbulence, I think, first voice on the rhythm. The rhythm name of a Turbulence song, Cloud9.
Cloud9.
Cloud9. Rainbow. That's how you rhythm name. Alright, when do you get the rhythm now? Peter Passard say, BASCOM, ready for voice? Because Peter my youth, you know. When Peter them they are foreign, you know, my podium them taking them. Come in a tech podium. Because Peter a youth where he used to carry on.
Right.
Carry food, come give everything. So even though Peter giant, Peter remember, you know. So BASCOM X on highway and really boss you. All of them artists we are running with now, we take it on the road with you. Because they're our manager. So what you go on now, when they give me the rhythm now, John FX rhythm, Cloud9, we go in a fearless studio for record the song. And when we go, it's a Fire King. It's a Fire King. On your voice, man, rhythm. Listen to rhythm, if a voice. I'm saying, alright, Bascom, I listen to rhythm, man, and but at the time, he signed to Fearless. Listen, I go around and write out Fool for Love. I say, Angeli, when you sing this? She said, no, man, me just harmony song. I said, no. Me I go sing a song. See song now. And so she sing with me, right? And we do Cloud9, Fool for Love.
Fool for Love.
So Fire King now, record for the tune. So him get fame break now. You are my baby girl, I never make you cry. Yeah. Him get a break off of that. Angeli do the song with me, eventually. She get a good highlight out for me. Yeah, so Fool for Love was a nice song. Love it. And to the day in the music, in 80% of every dancehall play, that rhythm they play, and the song still play today. So we talk about relevancy.
Right.
Still relevant to the day.
Big song, man.
Yeah.
Big song. Farmer Man.
Alright, Farmer Man come. Alright. You know that.
Later down, I think about 06 Farmer Man though. In other region.
05 or so.
05.
Oh, that come about now. That song was recorded from Gaddafi.
Okay.
Here that come now, because me original, me a Trelawney youth. So me used to go back and forth.
But you never tell me that earlier, man.
Yeah, I know everything, officer, because we say it in so much interview before and people at Trelawney, you know.
Yeah, you
We used to go Albert Town. Oh, yeah. We used to do Albert Town primary.
Oh.
When I left Tivoli, I go country, amongst my grandmother, because the war did a flare up. So I attend Albert Town primary, but I never attended for a lot of time.
Oh, okay, understood.
So I just did it. So, me grew up in a farm life there between country and town. That's why I still hear the rooster and can crow. So I still have a country thing there about me. So I still maintain my country lifestyle.
Yeah.
So what I used to say, my granduncle them go market, go sell yam and them something and come home and we used to get we look out. I mean, so we still have that something there, so we know about farming life. That's why I do go on farmer man. Because go on farmer man is all about my family. We used to go on market, go sell.
Be a couple bars out there, tuna, man.
The one your name go on farmer man, go on do your thing. Plant your banana, plant your pumpkin, hey. I fi catch him morning boss if not, man I fi catch him market choke. Which one I reach correlation first? But we a farmer brown him up under the mouse. Our princess pay for the cabbage rush just as him no one when him go home me man. Margaret Coast. Farmer fingernail always full of dirt. The banana stain, they mess up him short. Go on, farmer man, go on do your thing. Plant your banana, plant your pumpkin. Yeah.
Mad.
So that's a part of my country vibe, farmer man.
Paying homage to the background, the heritage.
That's why even the video me carry back.
Right.
So that was my own place.
Love You the Same Way is the next monster song in the catalog, bro.
Alright, Love You the Same Way now. Recorded by Auto Wheels.
Auto Wheels.
Free Willy production. Yeah, me used to do a whole heap of song for Free Willy.
I tell you.
So now come in.
Man, do you think, what?
I created that, you know. If you say if you get burned, you know, if I get burned. Anyway, Auto Wheels now. Auto Wheels coming at arm. Auto Wheels is in music from Shabba them days. So when him farm film studio now and start him thing now, me becomes a part of the program.
Oh, okay.
So me start record for Auto Wheel. And so now when Egyptian did bus now, me carry him come voice the Auto Wheel just to see him. And even when Auto Wheel did come with, I know you got that lipstick stain, a big rhythm there.
Right.
Carry back everybody that's a record on that at the same time because Auto becomes a part of the thing. But one somebody when me can't forget out of every interview is Stampede. Stampede that want to fight with me.
Okay.
Because even when I win them have liar soldiers, who me have? Stampede, what do street shots, him come fight with me. So I have a big up trainer anyway, him stand the ground with me. Yeah man, Stampede, a great warrior man. Big up yourself, Stampede. Can't forget you.
Mangoes are trying to catch a foul, man. You.
Him now, man. Them foul we kill him, man. Fighter foul, man. Fighter jet.
Yeah. so love you to see you, as I say. Lovely tune again, brother.
Yeah.
You know, we have a couple bars, see girls, them.
Love you the same way. Nothing never changes, remain the same. Love you the same way. Nothing never changes, oh girl. Ay. I tell you, mix me with those who turn their back on the lover and spouse. Don't you say those words, only be hurting yourself. Yeah, man, give me forward. This is not to argue. But, hey. Oh.
We are talking about some boy tune them, don't get me wrong. Give it a try and some other tune. See?
Yeah.
You, as you said earlier, you got your break in at the time when Highway and Turbulence and Egyptian them were becoming the face of the music all over the world. Yeah. Yeah, well, some of the places them here go mash up them time then.
I see time why I make that noise. Alright, can you see it now? Alright, back to him now. See? I told them my brother and I told them live together, them parts straight. Tantometa and Levante.
Yeah, easy, cute.
Yeah. So much places in the world we travel because music echoes and the melodies echoes and people want to see we make money in the music. But when we had the music now, there was no YouTube and no social platform. Long after comes Facebook. MySpace. Yeah, everybody have a look at MySpace. The time of Shiloh. Nobody can forget Shiloh, Mama Shiloh. Mama Shiloh was the one we do a little internet thing for it.
Oh, okay.
Shiloh Evans, man. Great lady, nice lady. She been in the music for years. She
without social media, bro.
All the way, them time there, without social media.
The right way.
Yeah, proper way. We are selling music long before that. We're tying off of buy views, a record of sell. Yeah. So we've been there. We're so much places, but as I said them time there, most I show them I do. I mean I win to do them. Every show them time if you see me you say I win. So it's 2 away. So that's why in a long half me I say, as a big man still, I don't understand why him carry certain energy and we old, you know. And like we young. You never yet I say I want to run music. Because young people are the music now, you know? We just have to do it every now and then because some of our fans still alive. Because you know, still alive,
right?
You're alive, see we. So, as I say, we don't rush it like that. Like for a year or so, we do 5 songs. And sometimes put out 3 if it don't work next year again. We not try to flood the market. What you do, Basky? What you do? You do so much. You lose your way, you know, you do some slack song, you do some gun song, shoot song. What you do? You greedy, brother. You're do already. You have to do respectable music and keep your genre and your style afloat. Can't say you want to run where?
Respect that, brother.
Run away, old boy.
Stay true to yourself.
Do your thing, man. Every now and then you come up with something. If it work, it work. If it don't work, drawing board again. And ready again. Because you not suffer. You not suffer.
I think you have to be true.
Ryan
Sudlow are the name of the birth certificate.
Yeah.
BASCOM X. Or reach on to that something there.
Alright. In the 90s now, in our Westmead now, everybody, when we say we are got Independence City all age, and we say stage name. When I say, showy boy, I say, don't even try that. Where that I go? Showy I go.
With the depth of that.
Shoes man. Shoes man in the music.
Here comes showy boy.
No, we have probably shoes man or something.
Shoes man, okay.
But so shoes get imported, we can't tell case I go ahead. So you say, if you shoes man in the music,
problem.
you're a bad man. It's wrong. We don't gonna hear shoes man. I know this time when I'm at shoes man, I say. Yeah, so you see, it could have played to be shoes man, you know. Yeah, but we never say shoes man. What you go on and on? You have the Malcolm X shirt, never come out, and the damaged jeans, them. So, at them time in the 90s, we started learning about Malcolm X. We never know, because Malcolm X, remember Marcus Garvey, we know about Sam Sharp, and so we have the Malcolm X and the damaged jeans and them thing they are growing up. So we start learn who is Malcolm X. Remember Jamaica now, no history on that, because social media and prominent like that. So we start learn about Malcolm X. So me name BASCOM. How me get the name BASCOM is because my name Jimmy like my father. James Jimmy. Jimmy James. So in Jamaica, if you name Arville, you name Arville, then call it Villa. You ever notice? Everybody name Arville then call it Villa. Yeah, Arville. See? If you name Jimmy, you name BASCOM. We never professor not calls that. Jimmy BASCOM. Jimmy BASCOM. Oh. So because me name Jimmy now, BASCOM added to it. Okay. So either you're going to name Jimmy B or Jimmy BASCOM. I never want to name Jimmy BASCOM because Professor not saying he's a molly punash. Me know Jimmy tan. Jimmy smell like a molly punash. I said, those not. No. So now, when we learn about the Malcolm X thing now, we say BASCOM X. Yeah. That's why Carter saying in a song, rise some AK like Farrakhan and Malcolm X. Okay. Yeah. So BASCOM X come about now with the Malcolm X. Because that was the image at the time.
In the catalog, bro, which of the songs you then say is the most, has done the best for you from a commercial perspective?
Commercial perspective is still Lonely Girl and Eyes on the Prize. Eyes on the Prize was one of the biggest songs overall. Nothing can pass Lonely Girl. But Eyes on the Prize was the song where every Caribbean, that is just a song. That is just a song. That is just a song. So either you have to perform it last or you perform it when you come on. But Eyes on the Prize is a song.
Is there a song in the catalog where you think I get the justice where you deserve?
Give it a try.
Give it a try?
Yeah. Yeah, because what happened with that was, I don't even know if it's a politics stuff. Because me, you know, never signed to the label. Egyptian signed to the label. Luton Fire said signed to the label. But the production was a good production, Life. But Life did sign Egyptian. So my father said, oh yes. Luton Fire save the juvenile. So I guess now with freedom artists, them inject more attention in that.
As it would be.
Yeah. Well, my song was the song to me, because when we perform them they do the launch as Weddy.
Oh, okay.
And at the time, you know, say culture did dead, so Egyptian sang nice. And when he perform theme song, good. But when we say E, na 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 na, baby, I've been missing you and that's no lie. I've been loving you forever. This is all the fire. It's been a 7 years. Yeah, I mean,
beautiful song,
the
bro.
place.
It's one of them songs you think she didn't get some more love.
Yeah. Yeah. But you know, we as artists, we always have songs with that. But we don't have no time for argue about that because the music is there.
Yes.
Because you know, one of the most beautiful things will happen. Me just stand my yard now, when we picnic them everybody, and me get called. I say, you're rich, you know. I say, what is? Kevin Jackson called me. Oh, yeah, BASCOM. Congratulations. I say, what is? So, what know? So, you don't know? I said, we are talking. You want to know too? Yeah. So everybody call me as I'm rich now. So this group now at England sing over Lonely Girl. See? But them hear it before me. So they call me and I tell me, you know, say I'm rich. But what them name again? Anyway. So them sing over a song. But guess what go on? The error will go on with them. Them never link me.
So you're not clear and you're not clear.
Them never link me, them just do my song.
You're rich then, man.
See? So anyway, the song I mash up British chart and It's a new group, some white girl. But here all the thing me vex about me, I say. Why they never come for me and put me in a one little part of the song? So me have them 4 white girls here walk with and I say, you know I give them all the Yankee style. Cause show me haircut now with peace sign and so they never find me. So them do the song without me, you know. So when me go so home, and see it a boil up, me don't say nothing, me just watch it a boil. Come here and say, them people have to tell me where they get that song here from. So anyway, they sing a song in a chorus, I just my song straight in a chorus. See? So anyway, now when I contact them now, them I say them they try to get to me and never get to me. I say that can't help me. What do I do? Because I can't take full rights for this thing and I do what I do. So I said we'll come to agreement and
amicable agreement.
yeah, and then we just sort out a sterling account and we just put some GB in my account. And then now them link me, so them want me to sign a paper with the song, just in case somebody want to do it, them have to link them and then them get back to me. So that's how I reach. But the song did well, them do them thing, go on good.
It's the power of good music, brother.
Yeah. So, them do them thing and send them money and thing and we never even make it an issue.
Yeah.
We just alright. As
long as they benefit for you.
Who else want, may I say, who else want to do this? Rihanna don't want to sing this to man. Because Rihanna, hey, sometimes when I check music, you know, if I check when me boss and when Rihanna boss, see? Umbrella, I couldn't collect for that, you know. My love. I tell you, Rihanna, they are Jamaica, you know, brother.
Yeah?
Yeah. Make link with Cartel and all of them, forget exposed. I don't remember. Remember the man. So when all them songs they do, we could have collect too. But me no want bring that. Me want to sing it over this time now. I'm just, God is lovely. Yeah, let's do this. You know what I mean? And just now if I have to go sing on the stage, for that me have to go cuss bad out like Shaggy. Me good. Right, that's what it is.
But the job is a more one, they are different. Let's say,
well, it's good for him, because all along we never know how to get to him. You know we love him now? And now we love Shaggy. Make you ever vote for him now.
The whole of we have a look at things that we want. Now what you see a man go like him, you know what I mean?
You know you're Sean Paul with it, yeah?
And because they don't judge Sean Paul yet.
Sean, great artist.
Yeah, bro, along the journey, there was a little obstacle in 2007 when you were arrested for illegal possession of firearm.
Alright, what you going on now? Because you have everybody's history. What you going on in that now? Well, the truth have to come out, you know. And when the truth come out, I'm innocent, you know.
Innocent.
So, you know, so them run them investigation and them do all of them thing and then have me in a pen like goatee and the little goat come out like sheep.
Because I think it was December 22nd, just before Sting.
Boy, man, I tell you.
December 22nd.
That was a day in jail. Sometime in jail. When I'm there in jail, I can hear every dance I keep.
How many? 100 man?
100, yeah, because no girl never did it. And most 100 man that fight for innocence. But I look through like a steel cage, I see like a mongoose in my background and lizard. I can't turn a lizard.
You were remanded for how long?
A good while.
A good while?
Yeah, because all New Year, I'm still there.
Yeah, because I think I went to court the first time on January 8th.
Oh, you know them something there?
Read, man, and you were remanded. I know you missed thing that year there.
Yeah.
And thing.
I could have missed everything, because no matter. All me there said to myself, say, I go to jail now. Next man, I pilot a little broad woman we have. Hey, boy, I tell you. All me I think about, I say, well, to this, and if them no want to hear the truth, and them decide to go hard, can you imagine all 1 5 years come out and so much people will come back and say, I don't know, for me.
What kind of impact did that have on your musical journey though?
Alright, watch out now. Remember, it's a reality song we're singing now. We are truth, you know, we speak truth and rights, and just one, all them look at something there. So people I look up to we as the new youth now, cultural, because we keep up the music. So it's a shocking blowing to a lot of people where you look up to me like a pedestal, and them I say, yeah, we hold him as high esteem, and then this is what happened. But me there show them, say, listen, show all of this me innocent, you know. But I just kindness me I do to other people and end up in this situation, you know. So guess what now? At all of them in the investigation now, with the prosecutor now, with the truth and everything will come out, the truth have to come out and them are going to realize, say, I'm innocent, but it do a lot of damage. Because even when it happened, me even come out of jail. Me even, to myself, is shame of myself. To me cut my locks. I'm grow it again.
Oh, you cut a year?
Yeah.
As a result of the situation?
Yeah, because when I look on it and say, in jail how long now, and way. So you get frustrated and you come on road now and some look silly people and make some silly talk and you know yourself you say, my advance and pass what you say, you know. Because my intellectual show me say, I don't even try to compete with them and I say, because the truth is going to set me free. So just time, which is time is the biggest thing ever. And time is just creation. And not before time, you know what I mean? So time played out itself and it just continue until, yeah, it just reveal that to the circumstances and what happened. The only thing we pin to it is that they did find a firearm at my premises, which you don't know, say, at this I reside.
Right.
And they did find something at my premises. But through the investigation and everything, they realized that it wasn't mine. Because everything got through the process at the court. Yeah, pray me I say.
Yeah, man.
So in the whole time of that people I say, oh yeah, I'm a gunman and thing and yeah, so them go on like them innocent and way. Remember, you know, remember him on cartel par, you know, them a bad man for sure. Time. Me just a time. And time reveal and proving that I was innocent. That's why I'm in the prison to this day. I did catch a case. I was in jail, but I never went to prison.
Right.
So that couldn't come from my record because I was innocent. You know what I mean? But what I say, it do a lot of damage. Tell you about music. You see this music here? This good music what we have teach them? A lot of corruption in it. Because what you know, when people are called and ask you book BASCOM for a stage show, I'm going to say BASCOM don't have no visa, BASCOM cannot travel. Lie. Because to the whole time, then they sees my travel document, but they hand it over to me.
Right.
But them know, the big agency, them are use that now for them artists on show. Because we the people that want to say, we are the thing. Or we are the girl and favorite singer. Or we are the one who have a look lion beard come so. Look neat locks. Because our locks never bongo, you know. Because we are Rasta, you know, but a lock and twist bring we unite. So we do everything different. So we lookable. You know what I mean? I never like the lion. I never like the lion something, but we to all art clean. Suppose me tell you so when we are Rasta and do the road fireball, me eat chicken.
Yeah?
Yeah, and the man used to burn me out and I said, listen, we don't eat beef, we don't eat cow, we don't eat sheep, none of them look foolish, I don't eat no crocodile tail or nothing. But me eat a little piece of chicken, I know I try to burn me out for that. And enough of man them they in a house with them woman I go so and then bathe and nasty up. I mean I tell no lie upon them, you know. Truth me I tell you, know. Because I remember me girl them love and the girl them tell me so them I do that to them. And I could have hold the mic and say, you don't know the right thing, you know, big time, you know. I mean never say.
Do that. You don't do that.
Because me girl them love all know people. Oh, you know if you do that. You see you?
You don't do that.
And me girl them love. And me girl them love. I tell you a thing. Enough man used to chastise and just say, Ray. I mean, I say, listen, the truthful, you know, I don't have time for lying. I tell it as it is. When me have my locks, me chicken. But I don't eat cow, I don't eat pork, I don't eat none of that. But see, one day we have fire burn and them something there. The man there in the house being all that shit. Do them thing. I mean, I murder them for that. But anyway, back to where I said.
So, you grew your locks back after you cut it, but then you cut it again?
No, because watch what you go on now. Me come out from a family of a certain age, I had me go start going. So me come like me run with the wind and it go way back. Way back. Like the breezers say, dress back. Way back. So I realize some here I get thin.
Yeah.
I mean? And at the age of me then I say, but I don't think I reach Gregory is like age yet. It's unfair. But remember, you know, and me alone, you know, because Gandhi them have to cut their hair, because for a long time God say, you shall not. You shall say, because say here as Gandhi, It wasn't a Rasta, I couldn't have the locks. A Rasta guy, they have a brother. But you shall not. I didn't just know what's like. You know what I mean? So, I just want to everything there. Come on. Bad artist that, you know?
Interview him, man. Bad artist, man.
You interview him?
Yeah,
what
man.
a man love mix up. God. I want to agree.
Bad artist,
you know,
brother.
so when me a youth and there Portmore Gandhi was one of the top artists over here. Him and one year nuclear, you see the neaty. When me a go to studio, neaty in a studio, and me outside can't go in. Cause neaty, you say have this white manager. White, you know? White manager, you know? When you have white manager, you is that. I mean Yankee style. So yeah, we used to say nuclear, neaty, when they let me in, I was just point and say, yeah, let him in. But watch your mash up film thing now. If not got people make the white man say, what a look of penis, boy. What that woman do it? Yeah, I mean. So, and that does a bad thing that you got people make white woman say, I hear the pack, yeah. So that mash up him thing. Anyway, can't tell you bring him back and think. A bad DJ, you know. But the baddest thing we have over here, you know. Nuclear, you know. Do it. Yeah. Bad artist. He's a DJ long before me too. I'm used to neaty. Bad artist.
I have history like it, bro.
You know, come there a long time.
We do.
When we see neaty, me have to go say, you know, whatever general, you know. Even though him not get the bus, so I forget right. Because politics, remember him, they get shoot up in a Gaza thing, you know.
Oh, I never know.
And when him go to hospital and crash and broke him nose, you know. That's why I still have a... You see how lean?
Oh.
Yeah. So him was one of the artists where, when him and Deborah brought him one of a lyricist. But him never, through the accident and the whole mix-up thing, that kind of crush everything. But life still there and still I do it. No. But Gandhi, no. Gandhi was the one we are power with nothing. Nothing one of the best thing for we. Nothing big up yourself, but nothing are wicked too. Because when we ready to go up on stage, you know, call we on. You squeeze on nothing and spice all the time. And give you the hard part. Yet we have the artist to call on. Serum, I like me to tell. You see, you know, and talk. When we there on the forward stage and say nothing.
Candy and spice.
Nothing now call we on, man.
Candy and spice.
Candy and spice have to come out before we. So you say if the show get difficult, away. So you know you have to really talented. Yeah, we have said nothing. That's why when Mrs. Spice now did nothing, see me here? Fear. Just lie down on your casket and not say nothing. Because it's serious. Nothing will do so much for Spice. Them not link. What me if you say, most something him do, by the time I think then there, probably him get to him, I don't know. You get me, man, sir?
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah. And Spice, our queen now at Portmore. She got through a whole heap too. And she stand up, so that's why I tell her, so we still win, because we still have Spice, we still have Massacre, we still have Cartel. What them have? We have Enhance and we have Maestro. So we still win. You get me right, sir?
Still win.
Yeah, so where King and the Queen come from? Portmore, brother, Professor at Portmore, Cabra Portmore, Frisco Portmore, BASCOM Portmore, Iwan Portmore, Egyptian come rent over here. So we still win, brother. When me go to town, you know, people glad to see me, you know, see them have money they want. Because I hardly go across the town, look, I told race too.
Expensive,
so,
man.
no one expensive watch. Because here I know, you see, Kingston is a thing where you have to program yourself, be a hypocrite. And rough over there. When they see me, remember me, I hit me, you know. Yeah. Remember today, say, no, you know understand. But me I try and show you. 90% of the dance I'll keep. I have 2 songs playing at every dance. Cloud9 and Lonely Girls, still there. And when you play it, we can just draw down the fade and the crowd sing. So I'm still relevant. Whoosh guy can't tell me say me not relevant. You fool. Can I care how much song Alkaline and sing? Then I have to find a song that we me have. Right. So sometimes God bless you with even 1 or 2 songs, you know. Not a lot, you know, but you see one song, you're so potent and so important.
So true,
that people have to just look upon you and say, Jaja, you're still there? You think you're dead? I'm going to say, why me if you're dead? Me have clothes for you got all on the funeral. I have every clothes. If a purple funeral, I'm there. You know what I mean? White, me dead. Me got everybody funeral. Me not dead. So me still relevant, brother.
Eyes on the prize.
Yeah.
Bigger piece, eh?
Right, me tell you, I'm a host, you know. But me can't say, look, fine tune with people, I'm like.
Don't worry about it, but I sound man, then we are remind about the truth.
Make money, get to youth, stay alive. And the prize, oh, I was born to survive, yo, hey. I know in them gun thing. I no need them cocaine that them pumping. In the ghetto, yo, the guns them keep dumping. When under this, oh, it's a different something. Yo, the farmer plant the seed and reap the pumpkin. No bad mind, ghetto youths, that's a dumb thing. No walka, we no under no rum thing. Pay attention when teach them is chanting. Keep your eyes on the prize, oh, make money, get a youth, stay alive. Yeah, man.
Yeah, that about relevance. Every tune that we talk about so far, I hit tune in a brother.
Yeah, but I just say you get me on an interview when me not no voice, but me still have to do it.
That's what I think about it. The sound what them know the tune. See, you, BASCOM, you have been involved in all aspects of the music. From you're young, from selector days, artist days, producer days. Me not even know so you own big sound. Talk to me about that.
Cosmic movements, man. You know the cosmic knocked out this world. Yeah, I mean we're different. We're like alien. Alright, the sound system, you know. What the sound system I come about? When we did in New York, we used to cut sound for the dubs for the sound, cosmic itself. Easy, Mr. Mohammed, him are the original owner for cosmic movements.
Okay.
See? So we used to cut dub for them. So I always tell them, so I go build a sound system named Cosmic. I build my sound system and make forward at Jamaica. See? Never Cosmic. Wellwood, INTL. Wellwood International, my sound was supposed to be. See? So when me come now and a structure my thing used to come through the airport with my equipment, them show them on my bed and thing and slide and one time him fly in and I show him and say, you seriously really build a sound? I say, yeah man. But what you going on? When me finally get me equipment them now I say, I start cut some dub with Wellwood INTL. The first dub I cut was Mega Bant and a Malibu in a combination. I said to myself, and then Frisco, and then a couple months start the dub feet. When I go in on my laptop and see how much dub with Cosmic, you hear me now? You're mad man, have to help build a sound now. You're going to start over. Yeah. This make sense? I said, no sir. Cosmic movements, my thing there, brother. Saying? So when I build a sound now, I just like change it over to Cosmic. And when my brethren them from New York flying, them I say, you really build a sound? I say, yeah man. So that's why you have a Cosmic JA and one USA. Right. So that's how it go. So when in New York, easy. Jamaica, Jimmy. BASCOM X.
My thing.
Yeah man.
Big something man.
Yeah man, how you talk man. Movements man. Yeah man. Chuck one spray now, COVID mash you up. I work on it.
Yeah.
I work on it. But we're good because we have one of the most powerful sound in I think now. Boy afraid when they draw for movements, you know.
Yeah.
Fighter jet.
I want to not play again because I love
the 29th of July I'll be at Portmore Carnival. So I see vibration and sound. Sound is very powerful.
Hold on, man.
They know.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So if you check it out, Sound Class Fraternity no, Sound Police no.
You actually play?
Oh yeah, say man. Me clock dub right through. I can play dub from now till next week. No boy no step in the arena with me.
Yeah?
Yeah. But
you are also involved in production?
Yeah, Wellwood production.
What the production name?
Wellwood.
Wellwood.
But what may I say with even sound thing where we are talking about. You know, so one time I write a wicked song, Gig Bounty Killer, you know. I'm only for money with Killer make over the song. And I all the sound do have it dub.
Yeah?
Basically, so I say one of the anthem, when we step up in the place, the boy can't come look up in a way, I do have it on dub.
Killer some voice it, man.
After. I have a song with me and my voice now, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, him
so when he come voice that they make him do it dub, man?
And no rush with that.
No rush.
No rush, because when me have voice kill all 5 songs I put on one rhythm.
Yes.
The song when me send to him now for record, him text me back and say, BASCOM, song bad, love it. And it's a slow genre on this semi-hip-hop, semi-dancehall.
It's a collab or
it's going to be a collab.
You and him?
Yeah.
Mad.
So me do my part already, send it to him.
Okay.
I saw him text me back and say the song wicked.
Mad.
I don't want to say a lie now, I'm going to show you what I'm saying. King of Kingston. King, what I know? K-I-N-G, King. See it? Look what I'm saying. Respond.
Song bad,
yeah, could I say that for your program? Yeah. So anyway, could I say, yeah, song up, say, you know, say the combination. So, me, you know, if you don't put out the song for the longest while, this is going to be the new song, BASCOM X Bounty Killer. Out. song tough for
Soon?
Well, when him finish, when him finish, you know, cause no, it's not rush. Kev Killer decide not to do the song, no,
Yeah,
not a problem. Right. I don't have a problem with you not doing it, Killer. I rate it still. But I just, me I go feel a way for you all along. All along, me I rate a fight being for you and then look at me. Can you imagine how would I feel?
Yeah,
but Mr. Moses would have said, forgive me. Forgive me because you was a good one. Seriously.
Yeah, so as other than that now, you have artists on the label.
Yeah man, Wellwood INTL, alright, you see Wellwood production now, I see him uncle me tell you about we have a whole heap of money in Canada.
And you still have it?
If he still have it, you know, hide it from me now, because I say I'm married now. I mean, I say I'm married at 60, it's rough. Yeah. You're married when everything soft out the way I do now. With supplication, we reach us and I'm married at 60 I do. Yeah. You just see this I'm married, you know.
A company and cheap people look for it.
You feel so?
In our old age, man. You know what you think, go?
It's true.
Money for sick lead with.
He looks so kind.
So he must spend some money on the label side way?
No, sir. If not, and wife, he must spend that money now. He not spend nothing with me. He say I'm rich.
Is he rich?
Everybody may ask him for nothing, they say they not give me nothing.
Very rich.
Yeah.
We are talking about the label, you know, so
well,
you mentioned Essence earlier.
Essence, you're artist that?
And Essence.
Enhance.
Enhance.
Alright, you see the artist that?
Enhance earlier.
Alright, what you going now? You say Enhance now. Here, only reason why I decide to help Enhance now is a youth when me say have manners. The youth, them nowadays not have manners, you know. They don't regard we, and so we all on our days. A boxer and them. Remember, you know, the foolest thing me ever hear from me, I growing to teach them. A child shall lead the way. I wasn't having that. When them say a child shall lead the way, you know him know where I go?
Yeah.
Please tell me, because I don't know the influence.
Yeah.
A child shall lead the way. Explain that for me, because you're a teacher.
Which way?
When him know this, him know where I go. Him know this.
That.
It's a foolish that. Yeah. A child cannot lead the way, brother. Him, as a local artist, look for me and say, me need help. Want you help me? I have the talent. But watch her now. Watch a great thing about this artist now. This artist has so many uncles in the business that he don't even know. You understand what I mean? His mother is Sheba, criminal secretary.
Yeah.
That's what we call her, criminal secretary. You know what I mean? You know what you do me, make me do me that. You lucky, me not do you nothing yet. Everything you do me.
Oh, Sheba, man.
Yeah. Sheba, so you know, say Enhance is a Gaza product also. Same Portmore Empire, from them time they come up to now. Him is a part of that. But they are not giving him the highlight because Gaza thinks Gaza think I want bad something, you know. You have to prove yourself. Once he prove himself and come out to the mountain, support him again. All them artists there, from the Tamale, the Popcorn, all them used to, when him a little boy, so you say, sit down there and don't move, because look a baby. So when them see him rise and probably know, he in the highlight it. But eventually, all of them are him uncle. Cartel have been father, musically. Because you don't know that woman in a Gaza camp, you know the teacher of it. So I say, yeah, so Cartel and father too. You care how you all look on it. So when Enhance get the exposure where him want, so much uncle, them have to give him the help. So probably by it, look on it, teach. I want the next big thing. Come and go and good for show. So me just help him. Come ask me for the help.
Nice.
Me help him.
People like Maestro Dan, they run it. The link said we.
Maestro Dan, I want captain, man. Cartel say, could I be a general or a captain? You remember the lyrics, eh? Yeah. So what you know now? Maestro is a youth who have manners to and see him Waterford him come from too.
Really?
And him get enough fight to and him dead where him dead because him break out with him and Diani. But Maestro one tough artist and to the day, him at a level, but him want moved at the heights and be a foreign right now. But him forward, we are the road, wicked. So Enhance, Maestro, couple of artists showing a Fire Royal studio, like Streets and Brahms and all of them other artists, them I can't call all of them, because they have to prove themselves to me. No, carry no strainer with water up yourself. Wet up myself. Prove yourself, man.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So you're influencing the music greatly, just the same, brother, from them time till now.
Remember me tell you something I forward. From the 90s, I for Boston and I come over in the 2000. So all the 90s youth them used to operate. We say help them one another.
True that.
You know the wickedest set of artists in the music are who?
In terms of what? I mean wickedness.
You don't know wickedness?
I mean...
Nobody that is
Let's say
Explain.
bad artists are...
No, what about
I
badness?
mean wicked, okay, wickedness.
Wicked artists them are who? With wickedness are who? The Rasta them wicked.
Oh, the rest of them.
Them wicked the one with the locks up. And wrap them heads up.
Yeah.
Wicked man them man. Those guys wicked. You don't know what you. Them not help nobody. The bald artists them help more than them.
Which is
How much
true.
artists kill a boss? Bald.
Can't tell the same.
Bald. Whole thing you never. Can't tell you go Jericho one time. Oh, before him boss. Anyway, when I try to show you say. The Rasta artists them are wicked. Every time you touch a point your chicken them excited. The Rasta artists them wicked teach. Them not have no love in them musically for share. Remember, you know, when we are I win them boss, you know, the culture music goes so. Fanta Moja. When I rise, I could have been. You don't want no more bloodshed. All the way. Guidance, love what you got. Next year now go easy. Everybody love nice music, no?
Guidance. Guidance one time, man.
You know when I youth where, alright. No, watch your guidance. If you ever go to him and say nothing bad about me, he hate you.
Yeah.
Cause you know why? When I look at youth, Falcon Eddie, I want our artist who I look up to. Falcon Eddie music name before now.
Falcon Eddie.
Yeah, him and Anthony B used to par back in the days before Anthony B bus. I my big artist.
Guidance.
Where we have big chain long time on baby in them. Falcon Eddie don't say guidance.
Falcon Eddie.
Him a one a godfather over here, him a one where them call Look at Devon. Them man they are real senior for we. And me live for see me come bus and come help them. You can't go say nothing bad about him. Cause if you ask him or Gandhi about our prestige, any one of them about BASCOM X, say nothing bad about me and say. Come on, say, I know BASCOM. I love Mustang card people, but I want a nice suit. Nobody with it. Because when him ready for help you, nobody else not help you. See me? Yeah, man.
Sound, production, DJ, select. Yeah, man, they everywhere that music. For the people out there who want to get in touch with BASCOM for dub plates, bookings, booking the sound, production, yeah, do that and out. How they go about reaching you?
I know how to find them. BASCOM XX, Instagram, BASCOM X Singer, upon the Facebook, and people know how to get to me. I know how to find.
Oh, okay.
Trust me, I know how to find. So them know exactly how to get to me. Just like if you want to get to teach them, then get to your siblings. Yeah.
Yeah, brother. You have been in the music for a long time, bro. As I said, from 90s, you're out there. And you're still around, still relevant, still doing it, still going on the road. And when we say on the road, we mean everywhere, America, everywhere.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Where, when you know you have a show around another part, you get a different energy and vibration. You look forward to it more than any other place.
Alright, watch how show thing go now. Show thing come with the physical exercise and thing. When you know you have show and you're an artist where you love your music and you love your craft, you have to exercise. You know what I mean? So like when like coming up in December we have some gigs overseas now. When I reach out to them, so I have to put rusty nail in our Pepsi, shake it up, drink it, and dash with the belly. I'm deep on the road again.
You're deep on the road again?
Yeah.
Right, so I say you see anywhere where when I get booked for them place.
Oh, sweetest man.
I fall, man. You say I'm going to do interview, either yang, dog, something, brother.
That's the first
in
one.
background, man. So I can just lay.
It's all like him and
no woman, man, she want her man to know that she just lay. So him not stand up for him, man.
Is there anywhere around the world where you enjoy performing more than any? That's the question I've been asked.
Well, I used to love, I love performing in the Caribbean and Europe, but the Caribbean more. Because anything the Caribbean take up, the world have to accept. So Bahamas used to be one of my favorite places to perform. And then we got Turks and Caicos from a Mall Road. until them have good structures now. But apart from that, no, true, them know.
No, but I don't find that so funny when you process it.
Yeah, you see it. Yeah. So we have French Guyana. French Guyana used to be a place of, and people that love me. Caribbean people love culture music. So as when I tell you with the Rasta artists, them how them so wicked, them now love them now, bust nobody, them now, them just a fight dominance for say we there a long time. But what you achieve, what you achieve. So I see what me say when Chronics them come and bust and them segregate themselves like it's just a uptown segment. Well them no one they pan a rhythm with the whole artists them. Like before them. It was a disappointment for me. So even when them there, they do them thing, we're proud of them, you know. But wherever calamity reach them have to just angle it because we wasn't apartheid and we have ourselves better than we because we live in a new era where the media move on the digitally. So we don't see numbers more than what we there see, but we have the authenticity of the real music. So don't care fool we brother. We have to love we and respect we. Yeah. So then we see we and pass we, you know, brother. Like nothing, you know. And I remember I said when my youth our song them singing. So it kind of hurt with feelings too. But I don't like we eat them. Because for my son, I have double the whole of them and play them. But what I try to say is that the segregation of the music where you try to say, you class the music and I say, we there, so only there, so. Look what happened now. When we mash up reggae, which new reggae artists are doing it now? I'm not seeing none who please the eyes. And so much there and so much people have put out good music. But Jamaica becomes this negative energy where if you now sing about scamming or railways, like them don't want to hear you. But who to be blame? Who to be blame? The artists. Them. That's what I say. The term a child shall lead his way is madness. Because the kids are doing madness. Mad world with mad people and a mad city. Come close here near draw here, calamity man. Madness are go on, brother.
Yeah.
And through the madness are go on, the Afrobeat becomes the bigger music.
And the bigger music.
Afrobeat a lead, but yes. Afrobeat is a copycat of dancehall.
Naturally.
So at the end of the day, Burna Boy get who you get it from?
Yeah.
You get it from? Woofa song. Yeah. I don't know. But the money where Burna Boy make, I don't see it.
That's the music there now for true, brother.
Yeah, so,
the real men's that, bro.
So when I try to show you, brother, it's just love. And when you deal with dancehall and see rhythm and them mash up dancehall, that's why radio depend like a comeback. And it damaged because the young people them not listening.
Yeah, but I streaming you, them are streaming music.
Nobody not listening. So you see, if this jockey them get beaten, when them used to have we, and used to deal with the rough and them put you in a category and decide who to play and who not to play. And then when someone a sieve on a strain, and I say, yeah, we sieve him out. And at the end of the day, when you don't sieve out and when don't do what I do, BASCOM still a little better on the man. So you see, so I want to fool yourself. You fool yourself. Because when we are giving a good music, we never play it. We never play it, no brother. I know dance a reggae mash up, you know. Struggle reggae, struggle. In Jamaica though. Not the world.
Around the world.
But if the people them see it, now get no respect. Them now want to give away forget.
It's true.
So if them see Jamaica people embrace strings, real music, them have it. We do it already and make the world love it. So where the new artists them? So Chronics them come to do it and they miss. Because them segregate themselves. So all of them over there say no and pass and them case a try. Somebody I got a prison man.
Is there anyway BASCOM not gonna mash down get to overgrow another place go shell one of them time?
Listen. All when I sleep my song never mash up everywhere.
No, I mean performance.
Tell that me I try to show you that mean people want to see we. But what happens is politics because some people not doing show with you. But it's still there, I'm not gone away. So if you have songs that are relevant and people can't find if you do it, why do you think it's a problem?
People are fine, you know, man.
No, I don't really say fine, you know, because we're on an important platform,
right.
Which is teach them. And people are say we are talk nothing but truth, because I have a planned story. Because you know me, it's a jovial you.
Yeah, very jovial,
we just talk it as it is.
Yeah,
so what me I say now, brother, stop the foolishness now, brother. And the rest of the artists, them, why not come with a look union, like a larger body of people, where just farm something and make a thing work. When you not do that, when you try lead, for me come say, yeah, the man. So what me banners?
Man
May I ask you? Me no man too, you know, but me just show you
We
something.
don't want to answer, man. We don't want to answer. But what me ask
Why you want to be the man?
Go back to the question
Yeah.
I ask you.
Yeah.
Is there anywhere where you no work it? When you want to go
We
work?
go Africa, we go Europe, we go all like Caribbean them. The whole of Canada would be a good move, you know. Canada would be a good
Japan
move.
side?
Alright, you know, so when me there go to Japan, I win make we no go. Because we want to go by himself, we never want to go that we go. And people them there have we for go. That's why him no go. Today him still no go. What the problem? And all that we come from one community. Him need to let go that ego something there. You see, I went to him and rate him. You see, him can make hit music, you know. But him, a stepper from hit music, I'm a build fireborn music. I went hit song, them have some nice song, you know. Need you in my arms to jump, keep you warm, searching, find love.
Book of Flight.
All of them nice song there, a hit song. But see when him go in and fireborn something them, he miss. And I truth, lyrical, but we are doing it side thing. Cool off for some of my hard fire burning and build some hit song. Remember them have more song than me, you know. Remember them have manager and everything, you know. Me never have the manager up to today. Me do my thing. As I say, Stampede help me along the way. But me I say to me love them and them now never love we. Because we love them and show them love. But them just in a situation where them just feel like say, no knowings. And in myself, me I say, no problem. No problem, oh. No problem, oh.
You have been doing music practically all your adult life, bro. Well, all of your adult life.
Teenage too.
Teenage, come right up. Is there anything where the man love enough for him to do to feed him family if it wasn't music?
But if me da got stars on Blue Movie and
Then
thing.
me don't know him there. You ask me
Poor enough, you see me, Paul. Where you say, holy fans? So anything apart from music, me keep more sound friend than artist friend. Me link with the whole of sound man them more than how me link with artists. Artists wicked, you know. Yeah, wicked man.
So you love the sound system thing?
Sound of my life, I mean,
Diamond Coast
mash
come
up.
right through.
You know, so me married and everything, and sound thing mash up my life, you know.
Are you mash up your life?
No. Woman say me love the sound more than him. Me have Anita Baker where me play for the sound and I say, you bring me joy. I sound where I say, sing for me, the sound bring me joy. Woman look for me one day and say, you love that sound more than me, that work. Woman pack up and go and England with picking them.
Yeah.
You know, see hard quiet.
Where?
They move
And
out,
it's a full
man.
level.
I never me there, brother.
How many youths?
You see, though, you get me in trouble because some not to be spoken about. So when the calculation rush,
Alright,
you
tell
know,
them what I
everybody
do
has
there.
subtle, that's all you have to know.
Everybody has son law.
Everybody has subtle, but surprise did it.
Surprise, isn't it?
Yeah, surprise did it.
You have a collaboration with Rothschild.
My artist are two.
Bad singer.
Two songs we have with him.
Two songs.
Yeah, Chaos and Rising
I
Sun.
know Chaos. I don't know the other one. I'm not
And
familiar with
you
the other
sure
one.
listen to that one is bad.
Zane, but I know Chaos. Big song, big singer.
Yeah.
Zane, who else you have collab with both you? You have, I mean, we are calling Brady collab.
Yeah, we have couple collab,
We are
yes.
calling the Angelique collab.
We have collab with all Egyptian.
Egyptian, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Couple song with him. Yeah.
I listen to a recent song with the Egyptian. I don't remember.
One girl song?
Yes, man.
Nice, see?
Nice song.
Yo,
I don't remember what the
COVID
song
stop
name
it, you know?
But a recent song.
This is COVID Stop It.
What the title of the song?
The song name,
See, not you remember the song.
COVID Stop It. I mean, even bother with it because VP, the one run with the rhythm. Egyptian produced the song.
Oh, Egyptian producer.
Egyptian produced the song. VP did want it, but Egyptian they go through menopause where he chose if you need the song for bring him here, so. But people are going to say, BASCOM come back again and do it. No bother with that.
Yeah.
Do him solo
There's
thing.
another song, 1768.
1978, the day of my born.
1978.
Them no real and pretend like
That
we
true,
are
they are
friends.
bad
Then.
true,
Well
brother.
then, hi, but bang, 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 bang. Them no real, them a pretend 10 friend. Hi.
Those are some of the later songs, most recent songs.
Alright, me have a song now. Me have songs where about to pass through gate.
Things change.
Like me I say, things change. No, you know that we ain't friends no more. Things change. No, you know that. Now gonna be no friends no more. Eyes pop out, look out for wicked people. Friend enemy way I try to mislead you. Then me shoot it in your face and drive leave you. Then come at your funeral and come cry some wicked people. Watch out for the changes and the difference. And some close friends, not for pretend that them a backbiter. Them have some ghost friends before me pray for murder the link. I better me just divide and take away myself. Things change, you know that we ain't cool no more. Things change, yeah, you know that. Now go make no step no more. That song, you know, Echo One of the bad sound from Portmore, you know. When me and them always, you know, clash up something. That youth sound bad. Cool. Bad sound, you know. Hell, they hold him on the level field. Rolling calf, man.
Dead.
Up to.
Bad.
My brethren, Firewind, big up.
Yes. So, is there any, and you see I work on a collaboration?
I produce a song too.
Oh,
Echo One.
Echo One. Okay. Yeah. You say you're working on a collaboration with
Bounty.
See?
Yeah.
You're on Cartel of collab. I don't know if you're on Frisco of collab. Is there anybody who's still active? You don't mind going to the studio, go lay down some.
Me not lay down in no studio with nobody teach. I just say bring me that, so you want to give me that key there. Me not work with this brother.
Brother.
What you mean lay down in the studio with?
But I lay down in the studio with
so what are Jada Kingdom? Me and Jada Kingdom?
Well, I really like one of them.
That's how you put me?
Yeah.
You thought I program this.
Is there anybody out there who do a collab with? We're active.
Active like me that go in the studio. The most my artists them, man. The most enhance, I like Serum.
You're active right now.
Yeah, at them we are responsible. I guess for now. Them are wicked, they want to say you with away. When the thing work out, then come find you. Teacher, let me show you something. May I do an interview now. Next year, BASCOM becomes the dinosaur, the active reptilian. We are do it. You see the yard big enough it can hold crowd. Them are go there. Because they want to know the formula. Artists always want to come steal the formula and take away your joy. Bring you out so and go and left you. So we know that over the years. So when they come, welcome them with good arms, but we not show them what to do. Can't show them how we make it sauce, man. Man, they and think so we're mad, man. No roll on, no teeth, no brush. How long you can stay around me for that?
Looking at the journey up to this point, bro. What is that one thing when I look at it to make you proud for knowing, say, yo, as a youth, I listen to Michael Buckley, I do the thing and say, yo, I
Call Mix, all of them.
Call Mix, Sizzler, from right through. You look on it and say, yes. And Charmaine boy.
Yeah, Charmaine, last boy. Yeah. Well, my mother proud of me, you know, because I guess I know. Remember when me and grew, everybody did, when everybody passed, I never passed my conventions. I never like me dance, you know. But me never pass. Because when me in an exam room, I see time ago, I see some sitting, because they're wicked to them time, you know. Them give us some maths we never get in our class. And I see me just say A, B, C, just circle some of them, something like that. And I say, this new to me. But I know English all them things I go on good in it, but maths give me problem. So I just shade something. I end up no, it never work. Wrong alphabet be a shade. Zero. Wrong alphabet. Hear myself feel silent.
A wrong style,
When me do the artistic thing now and shade it so good. When the result come, I never in that paper. Can you imagine I never read the star over time of my but I can't see. Right, Alfonso James Sutherland. Yeah, I don't do it. I don't do it, little boy. You say I have 2 pieces of meat there, 3 pieces of meat. Just do say this right there again, you know. So, mama, you kind of feel away. I say, Charmaine, but if you are looking into it, remember my last one, sister never pass, brother never pass. We expect. We were sure work. Yeah, we were sure work. We do it. We are showy boy. Buckle me pick up on them something. When we have time to learn. My thing I have to protect my little hustling because my stepfather pay me. So when I go to school, when I left school, I have to go to a shoe shop. I have to go off a tree, go buy tips. I have to go buy glue because I know about good glue. Because when the man sell me glue, I can say, this one is a good one. You know. At all 10, you know, I can tell it's a good glue. This one. So when the exam thing come up, now that's too much for me because I'm a street hustler. I'm tell you from a boy I'm on the road. So when the little bright boy them now get through and teach them and them get bicycle and all that thing and I go on and I go on. See me I watch them. You know what happened? In the last part, all they was say with Dan, boss, captain, do it.
Yeah, man.
Some of them are weed, I just saw them stay, all of them have a bad subject, see them, you know. And me and them done. So that's why I try to show you, say you can't cross off somebody because them never excel at the time. But for them thing I know that, I know suggest it. My thing was to figure work for Mr. Chin out of quotes. When my first baby mother pregnant, I said I go look work. And I say if I even pan coach truck for deliver furniture, I never get no work, I try hard. So when me get the woman daughter pregnant and go in front of the woman, and she said, you breed my daughter, look how you black to the, what you gonna do? Say, hear me now? Hear me to her now, no? Me I look at work on coach truck, you know, for carry furniture. You know, hear the boy to me. Never get no work and none of them something. Just have a thing pencil out for me get it.
Destiny, that, brother.
I know my thing that.
We know them way,
so
man.
as when I said, me never pass and it was not an issue to me. Me just push on. Everybody go high school, who go Excelsior, who go a Casey and go turn somebody boyfriend and all them something. Me never do that. We just hold out, brother, as a captain. And just pencil my way out and do my thing musically. And then my craft work for me, because me have my craft. As I still have my bicycle in my house, the boy can't put them catches over that. No, it's in my house, it's furniture. So, that may I say, it never worked out for me them time there as a brilliant student where they get this and that. But in the last part, me work out good. So, that's why even when the kids them I do wrong or I just say, Chuck.
Yeah, man. That's what, as a teacher, I always say there are issues with the education system and you're a perfect example. We're not getting into that right now.
No time ago.
But you make mommy proud.
She have to proud, you know. Because watch, you know, all her friends that make she feel that way there already. She get butterflies and she feel good. Because when she say, when I fear her protege, when I fear her bloodline without father, you know, stepfather, and she do her thing. And then look upon it and say, I even well, 3 house you, 1 you to own. And then look upon it now, my mother, my sister, and that's me there, everybody migrate. And me don't want to live a foreign, you know. We no homeless. I remember my mother parent. One time used to say, I'm going to live everywhere terrated. Because we live here, so when we move out of stepfather house, she tried to be independent. You know, no? Destiny child, I'm a survivor. She tried to do it big. Everywhere time we get notice. Yeah, so we want to tell we're going to live everywhere, movie. But I travel miles from a friend that we grow with. I try to find it. You know, time she have to go back to stepfather. Right now, work out. So sometimes I go on and soon come back, man. So sometimes when the last time when she moved, I don't bother moving her. But I stay with stepfather, come here and say, I can't take this upside down thing. Go with your daughter, man, we're there. I'm still there, I'm still she come back. So that may I try to show you. Time is everything. That's why some people ask me, I never in a Jesus thing. And it wasn't a part of my life.
Looking at the journey, bro, is there anything you then do differently or approach differently if you get the chance to redo the musical journey? All
right, if I redo it, teach them, it not go right the same way. If I redo it now, enough people will get cut out and the journey not go reach. So yeah, it bring me on a fantasy journey, you know. So I lost this Anita Baker fantasy thing.
So no regrets, nothing different.
So how you regret greatness? You can't regret the mistake. It happened the way it happened, but we're still alive. So all the goodness of me do, my thing still got double.
True.
After this interview to tell. Probably song with me and Bunticle I do. You saw me work off? You saw me do a song and some white people that's going to sing it over. I saw me one of them white people that sing over one song for me. You know, pack, you know, wolf pack, you know.
Yeah.
Why you want a wolf pack? Why you don't want change the mistakes? What make you today? I'm still there, all right. Whether you come through the toll and pay your money and come here, BASCOM must do something good for you, come find me.
BASCOM has done a lot of good, boy.
For you find me, right? So if you ask me what I would change, that would just be illusion. I wouldn't change that thing. Because changing the thing is just to make things perfect and then you know go through the struggles and you know what it is and how to deal with people.
Many of the artists that Marie's with, bro, whether 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s, the recurring theme is that, you know, many people are struggling publishing our royalties. I must have saw the low things stay there, so.
All right, we have a youth named Dean Macar. him sort out enough of the artist thing.
Repeat the name?
Dean.
Dean Mac. Okay.
Dean was a great youth.
Was?
Yeah. Here I was. So Dean there do everything for all the way. Straighten out, make sure all the way have money. Make sure the system not trickery. And them kill him. All them say him dead and so I don't want them big company pay and kill him. Because of him, them have to pay out millions to it. If you ask Fantan Mojax, Egyptian, all of him do everything for it. So Dean was one of the hero for we. And me know something bad happened to him. Because the amount of money we make them have to pay out to we, they will have to get rid of him because they have we as dons. So
how your things stay now?
ASCAP. The thing, Leonard, that's what I'm telling you. The people them sing over my song, them have to come in, brother.
Circle.
Carry thing, come man.
I'm glad the thing set right, brother.
Yeah,
brother.
I have to do it
By
right.
the sweat of your bro, shall eat bread, man.
I know it's my bro alone. My head top. Sweat so much to my head top, it make it go.
When you put in the work, you have to benefit from it, bro. So we're glad for most of that in place.
Just like how you would do your thing, people have to find you, subscribe to your channel. Because I truth. And just that we as artists, we know the thing. Some artists when we do interview, we say, they lie, man. God, I go and call them. What's a lie, man? Music a part of it. If me even in my house lazy and I don't want to do no music, music wake with sometimes we just have to and sing, and some people say, know the voice ain't enough time there some place and I say and just I got you and people say, BASCOM X down, people know your voice, your vocals, your ID. Music can't left, we love it. But as well may I say, we love music, but sometimes we do it and then not give justice. So sometimes we don't do it as much as how we do it. But we love it, man. I pay our bills. To the day music pay our bills. Music there, music make we can there as our interview. Music pay my bills.
Nice. What the man still, where him not put him finger upon it, where him want lock off that and say, yes, I tick off our next box along the journey.
It's really nice for even a new project really crossover, you know. So you can get a Grammy or so, or more of them pop artists there. Come find your thing, them and stir up your thing, them and remix your thing. And then you just...
soundtrack and then sit there.
Them thing there would be great.
Well, a good music, being a brother, so I say, good music can never die, you know?
Yes, but you say what me would have like...
Yeah, me know.
That would have be it for do some song for get that over. We don't want to say we have put we on nothing dirty. So if you haven't touched certain things, might as well chop it off, you know. Grounds out.
Broski, we appreciate the man's contribution to the music, you know. As I said, some people are going to learn some things, you know. You understand? Because they never know, say I saw you go. Zine are them here, but they never sure. Zine, you would have helped many youths. You can feed them family. You understand? And help other youths who can feed them family. And we appreciate the man's contribution to the music, brother.
Respect our mothers, man.
Real life. You see me, I say?
I respect you for what you do, because you highlight only for people, some people just turn blind eye to. And then when they realize them, have to say, yeah, I saw it go.
Yeah, man, we're there for them put the respect on the man, them name, what the man them forget, man. Yeah, bro, and all of the aspirations musically what the man still have, we hope that, you know what I mean? Them things will become reality. And we hope some more people from Cross do some more and sing them.
Yeah, that would be good.
And if I call off your phone, you know what I mean?
Yeah, just make the big people them call them and talk to them. But music is always here, and that's our life, you know what I mean? And the journey, as well, I say, I wouldn't change that thing.
Yeah. No. And bro, keep on being yourself. Very jovial.
Ask the street you tell them, man.
Very jovial and them things that keep you young. You understand what I say? So just go and do the thing and do the thing the right way, the bright way.
Yeah, man, respect our manners. And bless up your sister, you know.
Yeah.
How woman look good in her jeans, man. Big her up.
Sister, big her up.
Well, hey, stay out. Have got a call to there. Hey, knowing teach them you will come this way. Today, I'm alive, I hope and pray. And just like, baby, why don't you to come with me? Yeah, truly, honestly, so perfectly. Yeah, man, a BASCOM X, I don't know what to teach them. Yeah, man, reach them.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.